Hi! In today's video, we'll take a look at how to use decals and Cadmio on the iPad. Adding that little extra detail to your design, like a brand name, graphic, or warning label, can really elevate it visually. Let's go to the Decals panel here on the right. As you can see, it is currently empty. You can add a new one by pressing the plus button. You can browse your image files either through the Files app or the Photos app. PNG and JPG formats are supported. Now we have our first decal here. Its transform gizmo is activated and you can see an orange box, which shows where the image is projected. You can position it using the gizmo or activate the align function and tap on your object where you want the decal to be. After that, it's much easier to set up the final position of the decal using the gizmo. In case you need extra precision, the exact transform values are accessible in the decal settings. You can also change the decal material's roughness and metallic parameters here to achieve different material effects. If you have multiple decals, you can use the up and down buttons to rearrange their order. I hope you find this video useful and that it helps you give your visualization that little extra edge by adding fine details with decals. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.